Friends, the next question is, a train has started from Visakhapatnam to Hyderabad at evening 6 o'clock with 40 kilometers per hour. Another train has started from Hyderabad to Visakhapatnam on the same day at evening 8 o'clock with 60 kilometers per hour. The distance between these two cities is 680 kilometers. Now the question is, from Vizag, at what distance they are going to meet? This is the question. Actually, to see this question, it will be very big, very tricky. But if you are able to understand the given data, Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad, a train has started here at 6 p.m. at the rate of 40 kmph. I am writing everything from the data only. This is 8 p.m. at the rate of 60 kmph, and this distance is 680. This is the information given. Now the question is, from Vizag, at what distance they are going to meet? Guys, listen carefully. You just follow me. Try to answer my questions. You can answer this question without touching board, pen, paper. Now my first question is, which train has started first? Visakhapatnam's train. At what time it has started? Evening 6 o'clock. What is the speed of the train? 40 kilometers per hour. Now, which train has started second time? Hyderabad train. At what time it has started? At 8 p.m. Now, what is the difference between these two starting timings? 2 hours. In these 2 hours, first train is going to travel from Visakhapatnam. How much distance it is going to cover? Per hour it covers 40 kmph. So, in 2 hours it will cover 80 kmph. Am I correct or not? First train has started at evening 6 p.m. Second train has started evening 8 p.m. on the same day. So, in the first 2 hours, Vizag train has started journey and it covers per hour 40 kilometers. So, 2 hours means 80 kilometers it has covered. Now, the time is 8 p.m. Vizag train is there after 80 kilometers of Vizag. Hyderabad train is there in Hyderabad railway station. Now, the time is 8 p.m. Listen carefully. The distance between these 2 points is 600 kilometers only, because already 80 kilometers covered by the first train. Got it? Now, see, this is Vizag train after 80 kilometers. This is in Hyderabad train. Now, the time is 8 p.m. Both the trains have started together. At 8 o'clock, both the trains have started together. Vizag train is covering 40 kilometers per hour. Hyderabad train is covering 60 kilometers per hour. That means, for every 1 hour, both the trains are covering 100 kilometers. I am repeating once again. Vizag train is covering 40 kilometers per hour. Hyderabad train is covering 60 kilometers per hour, means both the trains are covering for every 1 hour 100 kilometers. Now, what is the actual distance here? 600 only. To cover 600 kilometers, how many hours are required? Only 6 hours. To cover the total distance, how much time is required? This 2 hours plus this 6 hours. So, now we got total time is 8 hours. Guys, we know the total distance is 680. Total time is 8 hours. Okay? And there are two speeds. What is that? T1, that is Vizag train speed is 40 kmph. Hyderabad train is, how much it is? 60 kmph. What is the question? from Hyderabad, at what distance they are going to meet? He has asked you, the question is find the distance. As we know that distance is equal to speed into time is the basic formula. Now, time we already know how much it is, 8 hours. Now speed we have to take. Now which one we have to take? There are two speeds, right? One is 40 kmph is there and the other is 60 kmph. So which one we are going to do? Some of the smart fellows here, they will use a logic that there are two speeds now, so we are going to take the average of these two. No, we should not, because he has mentioned in the question very clearly from Vizag at what distance. So we have to take only Vizag train speed. So into 40, which is equal to 320 km. So at what distance they are going to meet? At 320 kilometers they are going to meet. Now guys, the same question can be asked in a different way. At what distance they are going to meet from Hyderabad? That also he can ask. So here in these two cases we are talking about distance. There is one more case, at what time they are going to meet, from Vizag or from Hyderabad. Like this we can change the questions also, right? So very interesting question. Actually this is a level 3 question. Now here is one more question, very simple question. There are 120 people are there, out of that 80 are Indians. So number of, so mu equals to 120, n of I equals to 80, and then obviously out of 120, 80 are Indians means the remaining are foreigners. So 40. Now in the given data there was a small mistake. 70% can speak English. That's what it was written in the given data, but it's not percent, 70 people. Out of this 120, 70 people can speak in English. But there are only 40 people are foreigners. That means there are some Indians who can speak, right? So Indians who can speak English, we need to calculate. Totally English speaking people are 70. So 70 minus foreigners, 40, which is equal to 30. These 30 people are Indians who can speak English. I am repeating once again. Out of 120 people, there are 80 people are Indians. That means remaining 40 people are foreigners. Out of 120 people, 70 people can speak English. 70 people, not 70%, 70 people. 70 people can speak in English. But how many foreigners are there? Only 40 are there. So obviously foreigners can speak in English, right? Out of 70, 40 people can speak English. Those who are foreigners. That means they are Indians who can speak English. Got my point? So very simple question is this one, right? So guys, I have given all the 9 questions. So guys, I have analyzed all the 9 questions. Out of 9, I have solved 8 questions. 1 question I asked you to solve because the same model. So in the next video, we are going to see different questions from quantitative aptitude as well as qualitative aptitude. Thank you. And friends, one more thing. My humble request is, please subscribe Preran Academy channel and share with your needy people. Those people who are preparing for competitive exams, you please share with them. Thank you.